Why is linguistics considered a science? Explained simply. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It may sound surprising to some, but linguistics is truly a science, just like biology or physics. Let's understand why. 1. Based on observation and evidence. Linguistics studies real language as it is used in the world. Linguists observe, record, and analyze how people speak and write. They don't guess. They use facts and data. Example, a linguist might record how people pronounce a word in different regions and study the pattern too. Uses scientific methods. Linguistics follows the scientific method. Ask a question, e.g., how is this sound produced? Collect data, e.g., record native speakers. Form hypotheses. Test those hypotheses. Reach conclusion. This step-by-step method is what makes any subject a science. 3. Systematic and rule-based. Language may seem random, but it actually follows rules, grammar, phonetics, syntax, etc. Linguistics tries to discover and explain these systems. Just like chemistry has rules for atoms, linguistics has rules for words and sounds. 4. Predictive power. Linguists can predict how a sound may change in a dialect or how children acquire language. This ability to explain and predict makes it a science. 5. Branches like scientific fields. Linguistics has many branches like phonetics, study of sounds, syntax, sentence structure, morphology, word formation, semantics, meaning. These branches are just like fields in physics or biology. Conclusion. Linguistics is a science because it is systematic, evidence-based, and logical. It uses research methods to study the structure, sound, meaning, and use of language. So when we study linguistics, we are not just learning a subject, we are doing scientific research on how humans communicate.